Well, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer, back with you once again. We got a trip down the memory lane once again, not too far though. We'll be looking at the Isle of Wight tube stock. It's quite pertinent at this time in 2021 to be thinking back about this, because the tube stock we're going to look at, which was delivered at the end of the 1980s, is itself being replaced by more re-engineered stock from London Transport. The original London tube stock, which went to the Isle of Wight, was as part of the steam replacement when steam finished across the whole of British rail networks in 1967. There were special requirements on the Isle of Wight, mostly to do with the clearance in the tunnels, and tube stock seemed the only thing which was readily and economically viable. So interesting film, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. I've tried to put on some fairly realistic sounds on the track, and perhaps I'll catch up with you at the end of the programme. How's that? Bye for now. Oh, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you again. How did you enjoy that dose of nostalgia? It was a difficult time for filming the end of the 1980s because video was just coming in and becoming popular, and cine was really at its latter days. These scenes were taken on cine, silent amateur cine, and you'd have to look back and compare against the video of the time. The smaller units, which replaced the big VHS machines, were just coming in, but the quality was still pretty dire. So the only advantage was, of course, you had a soundtrack. Oh, interesting stuff. Interesting seeing the scenes of the delivery, removal, and refurbishment, etc. It's always great to have a look at something which expands your own knowledge. I'm no expert on London railways at all. Buses is more my thing. Anyway, I hope I didn't drop too many bloomers along the way. So thanks for joining us. It's always a pleasure to have you with us on these adventures back in time and space in our own little TARDIS. Perhaps we'll see you again in another one of our films in the near future. From me, for now, bye for now. Take care. Bye.